Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi viewers, how are you? Khuram Janjua here. I have brought for you a very catchy word in the series of Enrich Your Vocabulary with Khuram Janjua, and I know that you are a vocabulary lover and you anxiously wait for the series, as I have got a lot of notification that your vocabulary series is very informative and we are enjoying a lot. So let's start for the new episode, and I have brought a very informative word for you, and the first word is appease. Appease is a verb and it means to try to conciliate, जैसे हम कहते हैं दलासा देना या तशफ़ी करना, and the synonyms are pacify, calm and placate. And the antonyms are agitate, disturb. We'll go for the next word. The next word is apposite. Apposite is an adjective and it means highly pertinent. Bada mawzu or mutallaka. Pertinent mean mawzu. And the synonyms are germane, suitable. And antonyms are inappropriate and unsuitable. And go for the next word, and the next word is apprehension. Apprehension is a noun, or iska matlab hai khadsha, and it means anxiety about the future. And the synonyms are trepidation, expectation, and the antonyms are complacency and contentment. And the next word is apprise. It means to inform, aga karna. Synonyms are acquaint and impart. And the antonyms are withhold and conceal. The viewers, hope you will utilize this word in your writing and speaking, and this is my mission to enrich your vocabulary. And the more you will go for the practice, the more you will enhance your vocabulary, and especially the IELTS students who can get a lot of benefits through these words. Take a great care of yourself. We'll come back soon with the new content, new words. All the best.